Once upon a time, in a bustling town, lived a curious young girl named Lily. One day, while cleaning her grandmother's attic, she stumbled upon an old, ornate plate hidden behind a dusty box. Intrigued, Lily picked up the plate and examined it carefully. It was unlike any plate she had ever seen, with intricate patterns and a peculiar symbol at its center. She decided to investigate this mysterious find. With a sparkle in her eyes, Lily took the plate to her science teacher, Mr. Green. "Mr. Green," she said, "I found this plate, and I think it's special. Can you help me understand it?" Mr. Green, always eager to encourage curiosity, agreed to help. He suggested they start by examining the plate's material and patterns more closely. Using a magnifying glass, they studied the plate's details, noting the precise lines and unique symbols. Next, they tried to find out about the plate's history. They researched old records, consulted historians, and even asked the town's elders. But no one seemed to know where the plate came from or what the symbol on it meant. Determined to uncover the plate's secrets, Lily and Mr. Green decided to seek help from a renowned archaeologist, Dr. Patel. After explaining their findings, Dr. Patel was intrigued. He agreed to take a closer look at the plate. Dr. Patel conducted a series of tests, using advanced technology to analyze the plate's material and patterns. After days of research, he made a stunning discovery. The plate was made of a rare metal, not found in the region. The symbol on the plate was a code, linking it to an ancient civilization. Lily and Mr. Green were amazed. They had uncovered a piece of history that no one knew about. This discovery sparked a new interest in archaeology for Lily, and she decided to pursue it as her career. In the end, the mysterious plate taught Lily and Mr. Green a valuable lesson. Sometimes, the most ordinary things can lead to extraordinary discoveries. It reminded them that curiosity, determination, and a willingness to learn are the keys to uncovering the mysteries of the world. And so, the tale of the mysterious plate became a symbol of their shared adventure in learning.